So let's go ahead and get into it right away. I see a lot of people on YouTube do this unboxing and then like kind of fiddling with the board or whatever. So I kind of know a cool way to do it. If you just, I've already done it, but if you just take your razor, you slit down the side, the back side. So it's really fun because it's the back side. Splits right open. What you do, you just stand the board up, just let it slide right out. Okay, so we're gonna do that right now. Real simple. People don't be scared. Let it slide. You know what I mean? Let it slide. Just grab the board. Boom. We'll take this box and just throw that. Okay. Anyways, here we go. Woo! Surface the road, boy. You about to be on, but I'm telling you right now, this is my boy Jeremy. You go ahead and pan it around for yourself so they can see you real quick, man. My boy Jeremy.
What's good,
y'all? My boy Jeremy, go ahead and cop the board. I'm gonna help him do this unboxing here today. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what we got here. Go ahead and flip it over like this. Open these flaps up. I'm hoping so everybody else can see it first, because I've seen it before. So we gotta spin it. Okay, so I'm struggling with the board just like everybody has been, okay? Because I'm so excited to see it. I don't want to mess the box up though. All right, so lay it back down like this. Here we go. Oh, come closer, come closer. Oh, come. Look at this board, y'all. Let's just lift the board up real quick so you guys can see it and pick this up. Ooh, look at those 96mm wheels on there. Oh my God, the gray ones. I have the Backfire G2 over here and the Lycaon off of this badge, but I'm loving the 96mm wheels. So that's a great value that you're gonna get with this board, having this. Oh, this deck is way different than mine. It has the W concave on it that we like. The longboarders that ride know what I'm talking about. But this concave on this board is so much different than mine. This deck looks like it's gonna be so flexy. It's made with, I think 7 layers of bamboo and 1 of the fiberglass, if I'm not correct. Put your comments down in the description below if I'm wrong. So let's go ahead and unbox this, get this paper off, so you guys can get a good look of what this thing is really, really looks like. Going through some more stuff, it looks like the guy's gonna have a 2.5 amp charger, so that's gonna be awesome. I love that. That's gonna give you much faster charging speed than say your G2 here. It takes about 3 to 3.5 hours, give or take. My Lycaon has the fast charger and it has a way bigger battery. I think 260 watts, come over the 180 watts here, and then this one charges like really fast. So that's what this one's gonna be doing. This one's gonna be packing a punch though. I believe this is coming in with the 270 watt hour battery. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section below. But going through some more of this stuff here, man. Look at, they gave you a T-tool, of course, like other companies do. So we like that for sure. You're gonna have a charging cable for your remote, and it's dope because it's gonna be USB Type-C. They're gonna give you some more tools here. Really just digging how they're doing this remote. Like, I feel like this is really added value because the remote that I have, yes, it is nice, but it doesn't allow you to have the turbo mode. I'm loving the red. I'm loving the Backfire symbol. Just completely sick. So real quick, we're gonna do a flex test just so you guys can see, you know, the flex. Boom. Okay. Ooh. So this is gonna be bamboo. This flex, I'm telling you right now, it has some pop to it. A little bit flexier than the G2, but it's nice. I'm telling you, real comfortable. This is gonna lock you in for sure. I can feel it. Man, the trucks are nice and loose. You might want to tighten them just a little bit. But man, this flex on this board, you're gonna love it. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we back. We got the board out. My guy Jeremy's checking it out. This is gonna be his board. So I'm just doing the unboxing for him. We're both just geeking out on this board. So you know what I mean? You see my boards over here. And I got the hardware already set up. I got the Lycaon Gr and the Backfire G2 2020 Black and the older 2018 Spatch DX5. Working on getting the belt driven board. But today is all about this beautiful piece of hardware right here, guys. Like, man, this is so juicy. Like, the videos I've been seeing on YouTube like really do no justice to how gorgeous this board really is in person. Like, honestly, it's really, they put in a lot of effort on this board. Does not look like, oh my gosh. So as we're going through the accessory part of the pack that they give you, we're looking at the G3, the R3, I'm sorry, the R3 controller. It's gonna be super dope because it's gonna allow you to have turbo mode. I'm sure you guys all know, but yeah, the turbo mode is no longer just a 30-second thing. So you're gonna have the ability to just stay in turbo mode, which gives you, I think, up to 28.5 miles per hour, which is crazy, guys. So this is his first board, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. I might be doing the testing first just to see, and he can ride me on my other boards, but yeah, for now, yeah, I'm gonna be testing out. But yeah, 28 miles per hour, guys, is pretty nutty. I'm loving the ergonomics on this remote. I'm holding it with my left hand like an idiot, but I'm loving this remote. Hold on, you wanna record? So one real quick thing we forgot, and this pretty much the most flashy thing about this board, is the lights. If you double tap this power button on the remote here, you're gonna get the ambient lights. That's lit. Oh my gosh, so you guys are gonna be super stunned with this board, you know, on the beach or wherever you go with those lights on. It's gonna give you some visibility, not too much, but it's really just gonna give you that wow factor.
So what does that do?
If you're out and you need to charge your remote or your phone, you can go ahead and open this up and plug a USB of any type in there and, you know, get a charge. This battery is gonna have a lot of juice, so you don't gotta worry about, you know, your board dying if you're charging it again.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and hop on right now and see how it does.
All right, we back out here, man. I just got off of the G3. It is butter. That's all I got to say. It just feels so nice. Let me see. Can I see that remote? You check this one really quick. I'm just gonna, let me just do a little quick takeoff. I saw you guys. I'm gonna just do eco. I'll do sport mode. Takeoff. It's something like battery, just like 4 bars, only 2 bars left because he didn't charge it. Took it straight out the box, but no push. Let's just go and see what it does. Ooh, ooh, oh my gosh! Oh, it's cooking! Oh yeah, it's cooking! Oh my gosh! Woo! Yeah, get you a G3, guys. It's definitely worth it. So nice too, like, oh my god, car's so good. I'm just cruising, I ain't doing fast. This is nice, all the way official. Man, that board is nice, you guys. Highly recommend it. I have my Lycaon out here, the Lycaon Gr. It's really nice, great range, but the comfortability on this G3, guys, oh my gosh, it's something else. Build quality on this board is fantastic. We're gonna come back and we're gonna do a range test later on, maybe tomorrow or maybe this evening, but just gonna give you guys some, how it feels and whatnot. We're over here at the beautiful UCR campus, so we're gonna do some riding around here and come back and tell you guys some final comments. So out here, let's go Lycaon. All the way uphill. This board is easy. Definitely. That rattling sound you hear is gonna be my bearings I just put in here. garden. I guess we came to the end of our road here. So this is like a botanical area.
I'll probably take you around.
Yeah. There's a little garden area, like probably science, agriculture classes over here. So they can come outside and do their research and stuff.
Research on the trees,
Yeah.
environment,
Super dope,
what's going
though.
on, what's affecting it.
Still at it. Plenty of battery left. Let's get it. That was gnarly. That's fire. Just a little light training, a little turning training mode for the guys. Work on that, their angling, their impacts. Oh, our lap germs. I'm working on Edgar. I lapped Edgar. Now I'm in the lead. I'll grab it. Ah, he cheated. Oh, shit.
Training. I'm just training. I learned from you.
We got the boards out here right now. We're just messing around, digging around. We up here on the mountaintop. It's fire up here, but it's actually cold. That's funny. But we got this guy right here on the G2 Black 2020. My guy. You can check him out. You feel me? At his page. What's your page called on YouTube?
Eddie Ocho, Agrifor.
Agrifor. Yeah, you can check him out.
Eddie Ocho, Agrifor.
For sure. Well, yeah, we got the guys out on the board today. It's a dope day today because we out here with the brand new G3 that my guy Jerms just copped. Man. Open up this hill right here. See if we can make it. Oh, this is a big hill. Eating like it ain't nothing.